Hey guys, it's been a while since I made a video. Sorry, I'm horrible at this. But I'm sitting here in my bedroom, but the command center for Freedom Jams Productions. We got a few things coming up. And we're building something. We have a 10U rack ordered to build a front of house system. So we're upgrading from this to a 10U rolling rack. It's going to look like this. The only new things going into this is the snake that's going to be attached to the back of the rack, the top Furman, and the BBE or the DBX. The DBX is currently in Florida with Johnny, our sound tech. There's the Furman, the first GTD, the Shore, the second GTD, the BBE, and the CD player. And since this is a front of house unit for like dance recitals and stuff, or theatrics, and for DJ events, it's got all the wireless systems, so it's going to be hidden under the table. I got these little LEDs to wrap the inside front of the case that I can turn off when I don't need for DJing. But for production, I can have everything lit up so we can see in the rack and whatnot. It's 16 foot. I'm going to use this case right next to me, for example, to show you what the plan is. In the bigger case, obviously I have more space, but they are going to be wrapped kind of like that around the outside of the case, inside around the rack ears of the equipment, so it lights the equipment. You'll all see it when we put stuff together and whatnot. See you in the next video. The rack comes tomorrow, so I'll start building everything but the DBX because I can't get Johnny to send it back right now.